You are looking at our Talos L120C transmission electron microscope. This instrument is for biological samples and allows imaging of both negatively stained and resin samples at accelerating voltages of either 80 or 120 kilovolts. Users can image samples at room temperature using the single tilt holder, but can also opt for high resolution or cryosample imaging using the double tilt holder. Long-term data collection, such as serial EM, is possible with the large liquid nitrogen dewar, which can provide up to 96 hours of use. Most importantly, users can quickly become proficient on the Talos, promoting independent imaging and analysis. To learn more, visit cores.research.asu.edu.